This is a steam valve and the union, and as you can see right here, this union has been soldered on this side, one side. The other side doesn't have any solder, so it's both sides use a compression style ring. So as you tighten it, it will compress down and make a good seal. But the problem here is that once you use this union, you're not supposed to use it again, because once you take it off, the compression ring has already been collapsed and it needs to be replaced. But in a pinch, you can solder one side and use a Teflon fiber washer or even a copper washer to seal it again.